On this episode, we're reinstalling the steering rack. So I'm going to go under the car and get it up in there. I think I can do this by myself. Yes, cool. So you're gonna need some mad, ouch, finger tightening skills here. Stop. Stop. So there's a little bit of play back and forth in the steering wheel. Watch. That might be enough to get us where we want to go. I don't know. So what we gotta do now is move my light. Of course it's in the way. And then take this over here. We want to keep our steering wheel straight up and down as much as we can. I mean, we can adjust it some on the whatchamacallit, tie rod side. Let me check. It was good. Steering wheel is pulled out. Hi. Hi. Okay. So, hold. That is close enough for me. Stop. God damn it. Stop. Got it. Check it. It's off by about a tooth. So now we're going to have to slide this thing down. But first, I got to bolt, tighten those bolts, those nuts. I'll do my 13. And my small ugga dugga. should have put the... Fuck. Coming in. Sorry. One. Okay, good enough. I like it. Ugh. And then we have our bolt for our steering. So I don't need that anymore. I'm gonna need that and this. I don't need this. Oh, that was my leg. So what we got to do is slide that down, because there's grooves and then there's a round spot where this bolt rests. So I got to come in underneath like a animal, I think, because I can't see. And you're in my way, and the steering wheel's in my way, and everything's in my way. I should have done this when the seats were out. Would have been so much easier, but I kind of didn't know. So here we are, crawling around. Can't get my arm in there. You're an ass, bro. Try it. Let me try it again. That's not gonna work. Might work. Can't get anything going in here. I don't have any fucking leverage. My arms are too sticky. That's one way to do it. Got it. I know all you saw was arms and shit. So let me turn this wheel. One. Done. One. Oh wait. And a half. Done. So half. One. One. Half. Half. One. Okay. So now all I gotta do is get my nut on there. Now the threads are a little chewed, of course. Oh. Fuck. Oh. Just Just go. Thanks. Okay. So now I gotta get 2 tools on there. I could go like that and just spin the nut. Okay. Gotta get all the way in here again. Got it. Got it. Okay, so I should be able to turn that back. Here we go. 1, 2, half, half, 1, 1, half, half, 1. That's where we want to be. Okay, so rack's mounted on the inside. That's connected again. Other side's done. We'll go underneath, but let me fix this carpet, because you know we took all that time putting it in. So the floor mats are out of my 2017 Mini Cooper. So 2017 Mini Cooper. 2017 Mini Cooper Shadow. They fit right there on the edge. And then it runs up close enough. Okay, so there's the rack back inside the car. This is where it bolts in. There's these little bumps. Sorry, I'm moving the light. And then the bushing sits in there, and it's a clamshell. It clamshells over. So it lines up pretty easy. And then what I did while y'all were asleep is I came in here and I put in sound deadening material behind this, because this is your floor. So we bolted through this hole. So this will help, you know, tamp down some noises maybe. Make it a little bit quieter. And then on the other side, right up in here. This one's kind of hard to get to because, well, if you don't have air conditioning, it's right here. So now we can reassemble our front suspension and get it installed. But that's all for, we'll just call this steering rack debacle. Thanks for watching. Y'all have a good day.